Sarasota City Commissioner Susan Chapman made her first appearance in court today. Chapman is being sued for allegedly violating the Sunshine Law. Her legal fees for taxpayers have already topped $250,000. ABC 7's Ray Collins was in the courtroom, and he joins us with an update on today's pre-trial motions. Ray?
Haley, the issue began 2.5 years ago, and today it finally came to court. Commissioner Susan Chapman came into court twice today. She first off came in and talked to one of her lawyers, then walked back to the door, came back in, gave us a brief smile, and this time walked in front of her opponents, gave us one more smile, and then finally sat down.
Lawyers can come forward.
Attorney ANDREA Mogensen and the group Citizens for Sunshine is suing Chapman for allegedly violating the Sunshine Law. At issue is a merchants meeting about the homeless, which was held in this downtown restaurant in the fall of 2013. Chapman and fellow Commissioner Suzanne Atwell were both at the meeting, which Mogensen says violates the Sunshine Law.
No notice was given to the public of this meeting, and that the topics of the meeting that were discussed were foreseeably coming before the City Commission.
Chapman had two attorneys present today, including Tom SHULTS, who asked Judge Brian Eiten to deny the so-called summary judgment.
80% of what they're citing to the court is inadmissible. They're citing to newspaper articles. They're citing to somebody's notes.
So while Chapman and her attorneys fight this suit, Commissioner Suzanne Atwell settled hers 2 years ago without admitting guilt. Chapman is allowing taxpayers to foot the legal bill, which is already over $250,000 before the trial begins. Afterwards, Chapman avoided our camera, and her attorney, Tom SHULTS, continued to not comment on this case.
We'll wait for the judge's ruling.
That ruling on pretrial issues should come next week, the judge said. Mogensen was willing to talk to us afterwards, and she says she's confident in eventual victory.
The Sunshine Law is specifically intended to prevent these types of private meetings.
Well, the two-day trial is set for the week of May the 9th. Haley?